Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to open Facebook from Messenger. So if you want to open the Facebook application directly from your Facebook Messenger, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to access or open Facebook app from Facebook Messenger, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Messenger application on your phone. This could be on Android, it could be on iPhone. Then you'll be taken to your Facebook Messenger chat page. On the chat page, locate and click on Facebook button at the top right here. You see that? Once you click on that, that's going to open the Facebook application straight away, just the way you can open Messenger within Facebook by clicking on the Messenger icon at the top right. This is going to open the Messenger app. You can also repeat the same thing to open Facebook from Messenger application by clicking on the Facebook icon at the top right. So if you are using Facebook Messenger and you just want to check your Facebook application without closing the Facebook Messenger and then come to the app menu on your phone and then open the Facebook Messenger, all you just need to do is, while on the Messenger app, locate and click on the Facebook icon at the top right. And that's going to open the Facebook Messenger app for you. So that's basically how to access or open Facebook from Messenger. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.